exploring the heart of the immigrant community. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very special term that touches the lives of many people around the world: immigrant community. This phrase holds a lot of meaning and stories, and by understanding it, we can learn not just about language, but about the world we live in. So, let's get started and uncover the layers behind this important term. At its core, the phrase, immigrant community, refers to a group of people who have moved from their country of origin to live in a new country. But it's not just about relocation. This term encapsulates the idea of connection, support, and shared experiences. An immigrant community might form in a specific neighborhood, city, or even spread out across a country. What binds them together? Shared culture, language, traditions, and often, the journey of migration itself. Immigrant communities play a crucial role in the fabric of society for several reasons. First, they provide support to new arrivals, helping them navigate the challenges of settling into a new country. This can include assistance with finding housing, employment, and understanding local customs. Second, they preserve cultural heritage. Within these communities, traditions, languages, and customs are kept alive and passed down to future generations. This enriches the cultural diversity of the host country. Lastly, immigrant communities contribute significantly to the economy and cultural diversity of their new homes. They bring new perspectives, skills, and ideas, which can stimulate innovation and cultural exchange. Despite their positive impact, immigrant communities often face significant challenges. These can include discrimination, language barriers, and economic difficulties. Understanding these challenges is crucial for fostering empathy and support across the broader society. Supporting immigrant communities can take many forms. It might involve volunteering with organizations that assist immigrants, supporting immigrant-owned businesses, or simply making an effort to understand and appreciate the cultural richness they bring to our lives. Education and awareness are key. By learning and talking about the experiences of immigrant communities, we contribute to a more inclusive and understanding society. The term, immigrant community, is more than just a phrase. It represents hope, challenges, and the dreams of countless individuals seeking a better life. Through understanding and support, we can ensure that these communities thrive, enriching our societies with their cultures, languages, and histories. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this exploration has opened your eyes to the vibrant world of immigrant communities and the important role they play in our global society. See you in the next video.